Hi guys, this is our Sunday. Andito kami ngayon sa ritmo. Galit na naman, oh. Oh, dito, mumusok. Ewan ko sa kanya. Anong gusto mo dito? Oh, ito. Ang cute. Oo. Oh. Ito naman, napaka-kontrabida. Hinawakan ko lang, eh. Ito ang kailangan. Ano bang maganda? Ano bang maganda?
This is not safe.
Yeah.
Pops. I don't want that.
I'm gonna buy one for me.
How about me?
Okay, if you want. Ano to, disposable?
But I don't think Daddy will love me.
With one? Akala ko gusto mo pen. Oh, this is so cute. Ano na naman yan?
Here you go.
Huh? How much?
I don't think Daddy will love me.
How much? How much?
About.
Naubos mo na ba yung ganito mo?
So I can, inflate my football. Oh yeah, I saw that already.
$22. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie. Ayaw na. Baby, look at this.
Oh, so
Sure? Meron pa naman. Pero kung gusto mo kunin yan, sige.
Dad!
Ay, no, lip balm na naman. You still have your lip balm?
Where are we gonna go now?
What are we gonna buy?
What are we gonna buy?
What are we gonna buy? Get a plastic. Sige, kuha ka. Ay, cooking cream?
Oo. Kuha kayo chicken.
Wala nga. Walang maganda.